Giorgione, born Giorgio Barbarelli da Castelfranco, was born 1477–78 or 1473–74, died September 17, 1510. He was an Italian painter of the Venetian school during the High Renaissance, who died in his 30s. He is known for the elusive poetic quality of his work, though only about 6 surviving paintings are firmly attributed to him. The uncertainty surrounding the identity and meaning of his work has made Giorgione one of the most mysterious figures in European art. Together with his younger contemporary Titian, he founded the Venetian school of Italian Renaissance painting, characterized by its use of color and mood. The school is traditionally contrasted with Florentine painting, which relied on a more linear disegno-led style. An exquisitely pure and severe rhythm of line and contour chastens the sensuous richness of the painting. The sweep of white drapery on which the goddess lies, and the glowing landscape that fills the space behind her, most harmoniously frame her divinity. The use of an external landscape to frame a nude is innovative, but in addition, to add to her mystery, she is shrouded in sleep, spirited away from accessibility to any conscious expression.